Hello and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title, this is a clean with me, and this is my kitchen. It is usually not this hectic, but I've been in and out of the house a lot and things just seem to pile up. So I'm gonna take you on the journey with me. This is the final look. Counters are finally cleaned and scrubbed down. Sink is empty, nothing on the stove. Now this is the other side of the kitchen where I kind of piled things that didn't belong on the counters, and I'm just kind of pushing them to the other rooms where I will eventually get to as well. And the final walkthrough of the kitchen, where things are where they're supposed to be, floors are vacuumed and mopped, and this is how it usually is. Some of the things may look familiar. I have pushed over from the kitchen to the living room because I knew this would be my next room to clean. I also work out of my living room, so having a cluttered living room and just living space in general leads to a cluttered mind. So this is how I like to actually keep my house. It just hasn't been this way since I've been in and out. this is the final look of the living room. I don't have a dining room table because generally it's just me eating at my house, so I have IKEA pull-out tables. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.